But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be trying out this pet grooming kit from lvittyPet. This machine cuts hair and vacuums at the same time, making your grooming experience a whole lot easier. It comes with 5 different grooming attachments and 5 brushes for the clippers. The vacuum chamber has a large capacity as well. This unit is very quiet and only outputs up to 52 decibels of noise. The grooming brush and de-shedding tool can handle large amounts of hair with ease. The long vacuum hose and extension cord allow you to easily set this up anywhere inside your home. Everything is easy to assemble and is removed easily with these push buttons. The vacuum has 3 different speeds. The low speed is quiet and good for animals who are a bit skittish, and the high speed is great for animals with a lot of fur. The clippers are nice and easy to use, and the clipper attachment actually removes from the vacuum so you can use it independently. My little pup is scared of going to the groomers, but loves getting groomed at home thanks to this device. Here you can see just how powerful the vacuum is, and this is only on low setting. The de-shedding brush helps remove loose hair and takes out those tangles before we use the clippers. If you use this attachment with the vacuum will remove all this hair from the brush quickly and easily. This de-shedding comb is actually meant for bigger dogs with longer coats. It easily removes that top coat of fur while the vacuum picks it all up. The clippers are cordless and run off a rechargeable battery. The vacuum actually helps pick up the fur so that the clippers can cut it easily. The clippers can also be removed from the vacuum so that they can be used in delicate places. The dustbin is easily removed and empties out with just the push of a button. There's also a replaceable filter built into the dustbin. When you're done grooming, you can use this attachment to clean everything up. It's great for vacuuming hair in those hard to reach places, like between cracks and couches. It's also a great tool for cleaning all the grooming accessories. Overall, I was highly impressed with this pet grooming kit, and now I never have to take my pets to the groomers again. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the link below, and thanks for watching.